Welcome back to our channel where we explore the wonders of nature, environment and the fascinating aspects of modern lifestyles. Today, we are diving into a significant development that is transforming the city of Chattogram, Bangladesh, the Karnaphuli Tunnel. This ambitious infrastructure project is more than just a tunnel. It's a key part of a larger initiative aimed at enhancing transportation and reducing the heavy traffic congestion in one of the Bangladesh's busiest cities. Running beneath the Karnaphuli River, the tunnel connects the eastern and western parts of Chattogram, providing an alternative route to the existing bridges. For years, the bridges have struggled to handle the increasing flow of traffic, and now this new tunnel is set to change the game. Designed with both vehicles and pedestrians in mind, the tunnel is a step forward, safer, more efficient transportation in the region. This will not only reduce travel time but also improve overall traffic safety. Imagine a smooth, uninterrupted journey through the heart of a bustling city. The Karnaphuli Tunnel is expected to be a major economic booster. With easier movement of goods and people, it will streamline the daily flow of trade and commerce, bringing tremendous economic benefits to the city and the country as a whole. This project is one of the Bangladesh's most ambitious transportation ventures, marking a new era in the country's infrastructure development. With projects like the Karnaphuli Tunnel, Bangladesh is stepping boldly into the future, modernizing its infrastructure and paving the way for a more connected and prosperous nation. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more fascinating insights on nature, the environment and lifestyle.